How to add shop button on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can add shop button on Instagram. Simply open up Instagram on your phone, and then once you have Instagram opened up, all that you guys need to do is simply click on the bottom right on your profile picture, and then after that click on the top right on these three lines, then click on settings, and then click on account. Now from over here, switch to a professional account if you have not switched to a professional account. And then once you guys have your professional account set up, they're going to ask you a few questions about your industry, about your full name, about your contact information, and then that's pretty much it. Once you've answered all of that, simply click on edit profile once you are completely switched over to a professional profile. And from over here, just simply scroll down, and then now from over here, click on contact options. Then from over here, you guys can basically add in your contact options, and then come back and click on action buttons. Then from over here, simply click on order food, book now, or reserve. So from over here, just simply add in an option to order food. And then of course, these options are going to be different depending upon what your category is. If you want to add in a shop button, change it to an e-commerce brand or a clothing brand. And then once you guys come over here on action buttons, you guys are going to have the option to add shop button over here. So that is how you guys can add in a shop button on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.